call it what it is, with a death grip on this life, always transition. This is just therapy, 'cause you won't take my calls, and that makes God the only one who's left here listening to me. Letting it all sink in, it's good to feel a sting now and again. I hope it's one less woeful thing there is to fight through. Getting it all begin, fresh paper and a nice expensive pen. The past cannot subtract a thing from what I might do for you, unless that's what I let you do. This is just therapy, let's call it what it is, with a death grip on this life, always transitioning. This is just therapy, 'cause you won't take my calls, and that makes God the only one who's left here listening. Loneliness and solitude are two things not to get confused, 'cause I spend my solitude with you. Gather all the questions of the things I just can't get straight, and answer them the way I guess you do. This is my therapy, 'cause you're the only one that's listening to me. This is my therapy, let's call it what it is, not what we were, with a death grip on this life that's in transition. This is my therapy, 'cause you won't hear me out, and that makes God the only one who's left to listen. This is my therapy, let's call it what it is, with a death grip on this life, always transitioning. This is my therapy, 'cause you won't take my calls, and that makes God the only one who's left here listening to me.
We got it for free. He sold it for like $500. Wow, damn it. That's a good flip. Yeah.
You live in a million places. Your fingerprints can be seen on a million faces. There is a trace of you in every hallelujah, every song that I sing. And for love of you, I'm a sky on fire. And because of you, I come alive. It's your sacred heart within me beating, your voice within me singing out. For love of you, oh, for love of you. It's all for you, yeah. You are the highway I travel, 'cause I watch you carve streets of gold from the sand and gravel. I gave you brokenness, you gave me innocence, and now this road leads to glory. And for love of you, I'm a sky on fire. And because of you, I come alive. And it's your sacred heart
enter Tortilla del Maya, we must ask ourselves the question, what are these workers being subjected to, and how can we put a stop to it? Come along with me. Along the wall we see many tortilla shells, all dried, all in bags. These will be sitting here for weeks before anyone even touches them. Moving right along, we see actual workers. Come with me as I interview them. This is Jim Gordons. He is our spokesperson today. Jim, how do you like making tortillas? Incredible. Do you enjoy working here? Yeah. Straight from the man's mouth. Moving right along then to, oh, she left. To Rita, our resident cook. Rita, how does it feel to be working in a tortilla factory?
Hello.
There you have it.
Look back in silence, the cradle of your whole life, there in the distance, losing its greatest prize. Nothing is easy, nothing is sacred. Why? Where did the bow break? It happened before your time, and there were people there, lovely as you'd ever carry. Tonight, baby, you can start again, laughing in the open air. Have yourself another dream. Tonight, maybe we can start again.
I feel like you don't really care about this.
You need at least 2 more people.
We are putting in all the effort!
You need 2 more people.
You think it's fun just standing up here telling you what to do?
Yeah!
Scott is just like.
What happened to the guys like a squiggle line?
Now that just looks like a question mark!
MC?
MC?
Really?